Good morning dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. In previous class we discussed about mole concept and molar mass. Today we are going to solve some problems regarding mole concept. Okay, so in previous class we discussed we relate the gram atomic mass and gram atom and atoms, number of atoms and mole. Okay, so here the gram atomic mass, that is equal to gram atom, so which is equal to the 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Okay, so that is equal to mole of atom. Okay, if we are going to consider 1 gram atomic mass, that is equal to 1 gram atom, so which contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, so that is nothing but the 1 mole of atom. So same way for a molecule, so here the gram molecular mass, which is equal to gram mole, so that gram mole contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, so 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, that is nothing but the 1 mole of molecule. Okay, so here the first question is calculate the number of atoms present in 6.2 mole of magnesium. Okay, so here our question is we have to calculate the total number of atoms present in 6.2 moles of magnesium. Okay, so we already know the relation between atoms and moles. Okay, so what is the relation between atoms and mole? So here 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, that is nothing but the 1 mole. Okay, so here we have to find out the total number of atoms which are present in the 62 moles of magnesium. Okay, so here one solution, 1 mole of magnesium contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 magnesium atoms. Okay, so then now we have to find out the 6.2 mole of magnesium that contain how many numbers of magnesium atoms. Okay, so here we are going to consider that one as a x. Okay, so here cross multiply this one, so x atoms equal to 6.2 mole into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms divided by 1 mole of magnesium. So ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೋಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೋಲ್ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ it will comes to denominator. Okay, so here mole will get cancelled. The answer is 37.3426 into 10 raised to 23 magnesium atoms. So this is the atoms. So here the 37.3426 into 10 raised to 23 magnesium atoms which are present in 6.2 moles of magnesium. Okay, so first here we have to know about the relation between gram atomic mass, gram atom, next Avogadro number of atoms, next 1 mole. Okay, so then this is going to help in the problem solution. Okay, so here we have to calculate the total number of atoms which are present in 6.2 moles of magnesium. So here 1 mole of magnesium which contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So then 6.2 moles of magnesium contains how many numbers of atoms? Okay, so here if we are going to cross multiply this one, we will get the answer. Okay, so this number of atoms which are present in 6.2 moles of magnesium. Okay, so next one, calculate the number of molecules in 42 grams of water. So here in case of this problem, we have to calculate the total number of molecules which are present in 42 grams of water. So now we know the relationship between the molecules and gram. Okay, so here the gram molecular mass that contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Okay, so first for that we have to calculate the molecular mass of water. Okay, so here what is the molecular mass of water? So formula is H2O. So here 2 atoms of hydrogen present in water. Atomic mass is 1 plus 16 into 1. Okay, sorry, 1 into 16. Okay, so here the answer is 18 mu. So this is the molecular mass of water. So here we require gram molecular mass. Okay, so if we are going to express the molecular mass in terms of gram, that is nothing but the gram molecular mass. Okay, so here 18 gram, this is nothing but the gram molecular mass of the water. Okay, so here 18 grams of water contain how many molecules? So here 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, water molecules. Next, 42 grams of water contains X number of water molecules. Okay, so here cross multiply this one, so it will become X molecules equal to 42 grams into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules divided by, so 18 grams. Okay, confusion ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, x into 18 grams equal to 42 grams into 6.022 into 10 raised to 22 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಏನು 18 grams ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಇಂಟು 18 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ gram will get cancel. So here the answer is 14.05133 into 10 raised to 23 water molecules. So here 14.055133 into 10 raised to 23 water molecules which are present in 42 grams of water. Okay, I hope you understood about this calculation. So next one is how many sodium atoms present in 3 milligrams of sodium So here we have to calculate the total number of atoms which are present in 3 milligrams of sodium. Okay, so we know that 23 grams of sodium contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 sodium atoms. Then 3 milligrams of sodium contain X number of sodium atoms. Okay, so here cross multiply this one. So before that, just observe here. So this is in terms of milligram. So first we have to convert this one as a gram. Okay, so we already know the prefix milli value. Okay, so here 3 milli means into 10 raised to minus 3 grams. Okay, so if we are going to convert this 3 milligrams into grams, so that is nothing but the 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 grams. Okay, so here we have to cross multiply this one. So here X atoms, that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 raised to minus 3 ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು. So here we converted 3 milligrams into grams. Okay, so here it will become 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 grams into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 sodium atoms divided by 23 grams. Okay, so here gram will get cancelled. The answer is 0.7854 into, so here this is 10 raised to 23 and 10 raised to minus 3. So this is the multiplication. So in multiplication exponents will we are going to add the exponents. Okay, so here 10 raised to 23 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so it will become 10 raised to 23 plus minus 3. So plus minus will become minus. Okay, so here 10 raised to 23 minus 3 is 10 raised to 20. Okay, I hope you understood about this one. So here I am going to write directly. So here 10 raised to 20 sodium atoms. Okay, so here 0.7854 into 10 raised to 20 sodium atoms which are present in 3 milligrams of sodium. Okay, so next one. Find the number of moles in 90 grams of water. So here for number of moles we are going to use the formula N equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Okay, so here the given mass is in terms of grams, next molar mass is in terms of gram per mole. Okay, so here the mole gram will get cancelled. So if this mole, if it go to the numerator, it will becomes mole. Okay, so this is the formula for a calculation of moles by using mass. Okay, so here when we consider this problem, so N equal to, so here the given mass is 90 gram. So next molar mass of water. So what is the molar mass of water? So here we already know the molar mass. So first problems nalli water the molar, sorry, second problem nalli water the molar mass na find out madidvi. So ಏನು? So 18 grams. Okay, so here 19 divided by 18 grams per mole. So this is the molar mass of water. Okay, so here gram will get cancelled. So 19 2s are 19 10s are, so 2 1s are 2 5s are. So here 5 mole of water. So this is the answer. Okay, find out the number of moles in a 90 grams of water. So here 90 grams of water consists 5 moles of water. Okay, so next one is how many moles are present in Na2CO3 containing 2.4 into 10 raised to 22 molecules. Okay, so here we have to find out the moles, how many moles which are present in the sodium carbonate containing 2.4 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Okay, so 2.4 into 10 raised to 23 molecules nalli ಎಷ್ಟು moles present ive ant heli calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here we already know that 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of Na2CO3 contains 1 mole. Okay, so 1 mole of molecule. So next 2.4 into 10 raised to 22 molecules of Na2CO3 contains X number of moles. Okay, so here we have to cross multiply this one. So here when we cross multiply that one, so x mole, that is equal to 2.4 into 10 raised to 22 into 1 mole molecule into 1 mole divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So molecule will get cancelled. So here the answer is, so idunonduna ನೀವೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಹಚ್ಚಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ನಾನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ calculate the number of molecule present in 15 grams of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so here we have to calculate the total number of molecules which are present in 15 grams of sodium hydroxide. So here we already know the relationship between the molecule and grams. Okay, so here, so first we have to calculate the molecular mass of NaOH. Okay, so here the atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus 16 plus 1. Okay, so here the value is 40 U. Okay, so unified mass. So next, if we are going to represent this one in terms of gram, that will become gram molecular mass. Okay, so this is 40 grams. So this is the gram molecular mass of NaOH. Okay, so here 40 grams of NaOH contains how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Next, 15 grams of NaOH contains X number of molecules. Next, we have to cross multiply this one to get the answer. Okay, so here X molecules, that is equal to 15 gram into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules divided by 40 grams. So here gram will get cancelled. So here the answer is 2.258 into 10 raised to 22 molecules. 10 raised to 22 NaOH sodium hydroxide molecules. Okay, so here this is the answer. So in 15 grams of NaOH which contain 2.258 into 10 raised to 22 so sodium hydroxide molecule. So I hope you understood about the numerical problems. So in next class we will discuss some more numerical problems. Thank you.